Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome to another video on KSY Creations. In this video, we'll try to repair this decorative light. I have one more light with me. This is not repairable because gears inside this light is damaged. There will be a motor like this in which there are some gears which are damaged in this light. So this is not repairable. We'll do something else with this. For now, we'll repair this. We'll see how we can repair this decorative light. I have connected this to electricity. You can see this is not working. First we'll open this refractor. After removing this cover, you can find these lights. Here there are three lights, that is red, blue and green. To reach this circuit, you have to open this housing. Simply we can open this. Here is the circuit. To remove these wires from this B22 cap, we have to push these screws outside. In this way you can remove these wires from this B22 cap. I have inspected this circuit board. What I feel is this transformer is damaged in this. So I will replace this circuit board with another one. I don't have the same circuit board. You can see in this there are 3 LEDs and one motor. This each LED runs on 3 volts and these 3 LEDs are connected in series. And we have this motor which runs on 3 volts. So here we require 12 volts input for this. Here with me I have this adapter. The output of this adapter is 12 volts 2 amps. So I can use this adapter for this LEDs and this motor. I will remove the circuit board from this adapter and I will solder to this motor and these LEDs. Once I will connect this to the adapter and I will show you. You can see this is working fine. So I will remove circuit board from this adapter. You can see this is the 12 volt circuit board. I will remove these wires from this circuit board. And I will solder these wires onto this circuit board. Here we have to take care about the polarity. You can see I have soldered this positive terminal and in the same way I will solder the negative terminal also. And these two are the input terminals. Before packing everything, I will wrap a paper around this circuit board so that it can be insulated. In this way I have insulated this circuit board. Now simply I will insert these wires into this B22 cap. After inserting these wires, I will put these screws as it was. In this way now this light is ready to use. You can see this is working fine. Now I will put back this refractor